Mazuka manje la we've got bush beans. This is bush beans, yabona. So kunama seeds ala ngaphakathi, tiny beautiful seeds, yabona. These seeds, they help you to cure prostate enlargement. Kumuntu wesifazane ayasebenza ukulapha sibeleko. Umuntu wesifazane omilwa ama-walls esibelethweni ila ama-lumps. And then ama-roots wakhona nakhona ayasebenza makuwukuthi umuntu ohlushwa ama-fibroids, noma kuwukuthi umuntu ohlushwa i-infection, uyakupheka nje ukubilise, but iy'mpande lezi uyazipheka iy'mpande uzibilise. Ama-roots lawa wakhona uyawadraya, mayese-dry ase-right mesekhala kanje, a-right ase-dry njengoba ekhala kanje. So uyawathatha uwagrinde into powder form, but you need to get an enough quantity for it ukuze kwazi ukuthi isebenze kahle. And then emveni kwaloko uzolokwane uwamixa ne-honey, pure honey, uju ne, and then uzolokwane uyilikha lento ekuseni, into engange-teaspoon ekuseni, teaspoon ntambama, teaspoon ekuseni. It's gonna cure le infection and nale lentuzana nale prostate enlargement. Even ama-leaves akhona, they also do work. Uma uwuthi umuntu onamabhadi, unegazi lenja, uthatha nje amalentuzanana, amaqabunga lawa wakhona, uwa-dry in a room temperature, emveni kwalokho uzobe seke uyawathatha uyawagrinda into fine powder, ubese ufaka itswayi, rough salt, mix it with rough salt. Uzobe uyageza ngale mixture le, izokwazi ukuthi it clear off that negative energy ekulandelayo, ukwazi ukuthi uphile, ukwazi ukuthi ube right. So ngikwenzela la i-combo set, ususa amabhadi, then emveni kwaloko uphinde ukwazi ukuthi uphile. Angiphinde-ke, let me repeat myself, to those who are affected by prostate enlargement or else laba abanama-fibroids. Uma unama-fibroids, you just get ilentuzanana, lokhu kwakhona, it's either iy'mpande noma uthola ama-seeds lawa wakhona. Ama-seeds uyawagrinda into powder, mix them with honey. Udla i-teaspoon ekuseni, udla i-teaspoon ntambama. That infection will go away. Then emveni kwalokho ukwazi ukuthi ube right, ukwazi ukuthi uphile. And also uma kuwukuthi umuntu one-prostate enlargement, uthatha iy'mpande zakhona uyaziboyila, ubese uyaphuza. Le mixture le, it's for semi-sex, ne, for male and female. So uyakwazi ukusebenzisa lo muthi, awukhethile ukuthi usetshenziswa amadoda, usetshenziswa omama, noma ubani. And uma kuwukuthi uyindoda unenkinga yenduku eserious, uyabona ukuthi hayi ukhuko olumuka nomoya, thola ilentuzana, ama-seeds lawa wakhona, ngeke ngikwenzele lula nje uzowabona, nangama-seeds wakhona. Kwenzele lula nje, ama-seeds wakhona, uma wahlafuna ahlafuneka kalula, but-ke agude kakhulu kulento engisuke ufuna uyenza, ayakulapha. Abanye bayakusebenzisa for protection, so it depends to your area ukuthi ufuna uyisebenzisele.